Hi, welcome back. Let's start with tutorial 2 on setting up the TypeScript. What are the steps involved in setting up this TypeScript? First, we need to install Node.js. Then we need to install TypeScript. We need to verify whether the TypeScript is properly installed or not. Let's start with the first step on how to install the Node.js. To install Node.js, first we need to go to the Node.js website to download the Node.js. Node.js can be installed on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux also. In this tutorial, we are going to go with Windows installer. So we have MSI versions and zip and different package versions are available. So we have for both 32-bit and 64-bit. So we are going to use for the 64-bit version. And let's start with installing 64-bit version of MSI. So once you select the appropriate one, it is going to prompt you to which folder you need to go and download this. Okay, download the node version to whatever the folder in our local laptop. Once it is downloaded, we can start installing it. You can click on next and try to specify the folder where exactly you want to install. To ensure that Node.js is installed, we can go to the start command, search for node. You can select on this node.js command prompt and enter node-v. This should give us the version of the node that is available in the system. So here it has version 18.17.1. As we have installed Node.js, let's go and install the TypeScript. Select the node.js command prompt and issue the command npm install -g. G stands for global TypeScript. So npm is a node package manager which will help you to install the packages like TypeScript. We are going to talk about more about Node and npm in the Node.js series tutorial. For now, TypeScript has been installed globally. Let's verify how the types whether the TypeScript is installed or not. For that, we can use the command esc version, which will specify TypeScript compiler -version, which will give us the version of the TypeScript